Hi guys, this is a very quick walkthrough of how to create your Facebook advertising pixel in Facebook, where you will find the script that you can then pass to your web developer or install yourself. I'm going to show you briefly how to install that through Google Tag Manager, and you will already need Google Tag Manager installed on your website for this. If you're looking for a more advanced video on pixel management and the benefits of the pixel, then look in the link below this video and you can see another tutorial that I have done there. Right, we are in the Ads Manager. What we need to do, first of all, navigate, open up all tools and click onto Pixels. Once you're in here, you'll see a little button down in the middle when it loads for Create a Pixel. Click on Create a Pixel, give it a name. You don't need to, but you can enter the URL that you're going to be using that on. Then click Create. Now what you will see here we go, it's loading, is some different options. So you can email this over to your developer, you can install it manually, or you can install it using Tag Manager. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to quickly jump in, show you a couple of things, but then we're going to install it using the Tag Manager. So we can click on Manual and it will present us with the code and tell us exactly where this needs to be placed on the website. Now if you're not familiar with editing your own website, you can obviously simply send this via email over to your web developer and that will give them the instructions that they need and all of the code, etc. What we are going to do today though is use the very simple way of installing it through Google Tag Manager. So if we click on this option, we can select which option that we want to use. Obviously today we're using the Google Tag Manager, however you can look at other partners and do direct integrations with them. And what you're going to find with each of these is a walkthrough, and it's just a case of selecting the appropriate options for your Google Tag Manager account. And here we go, that's the container that we want, so we click on Finish Setup. And we're done. So by doing that, we're going to get a nice advanced setup in Google Tag Manager rather than placing any code ourselves. We know that that is done correctly, and as you can see, very straightforward, simple process to get that set up. So we close that and we are ready. As soon as we now start getting traffic to our website, we'll start to see the activity appear in here, and I'll talk you through that in a little bit more detail in another video. As I said earlier, have a look at the link below in the description for that video. And one last thing to note here, I've just popped over to Google Tag Manager and you'll see that it does automatically publish the version. So if we click into here, you'll see that our Facebook pixel is alive. So there you go. It's really simple and easy using that process. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment below the video, and if there's anything else that you'd like to see, I'll do my best to get a tutorial out for you.